You can only get big biceps if you take steroids.
Maybe some of them are, but if you want to be healthy and absolutely jacked all your life, that won't work, Billy.
Okay, but I don't have equipment, and I don't want to pay a gym membership.
Okay, hear me out. I'll share with you my 3 best biceps exercises you can do at home. Step 0. Take your backpack and fill it with enough books to make it heavy. Number 1. Biceps curls with your backpack. One arm, 3 sets of 12 repetitions. Number 2. Biceps isometric hold with your backpack. One arm, 3 sets of 10 seconds hold. Number 3. 2-arm biceps curl with your backpack. 3 sets of 12 repetitions.
After 1 year doing these 3 times per week, my biceps are huge, bro.
You're welcome. Good night, kids.